What's up guys, it's me Kahi back again with another video, and today me and my friend Akli are going to be playing this game called Monobomba on Roblox where one person's blind and the other is deaf. And in this game, you and your friend have to solve these puzzles along with those disabilities. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
OBS.
Asan ka
Let's
ba?
fucking go.
Tagal mo.
Tigil mo.
King ka. Uy, andito na ako. Uy, pumasok ka na.
Saglit lang,
Pumasok ka.
dogs.
No.
Kupal, diyan ka pala. Let's go. I wanna rock with you. Mi bombo claro wag. What? So for context guys, hindi ko rinig si Akli and he's blind. Oh, she thinks. Wait. Oh shit! Don't do pressing nothing. Press the wait not that. Go to your right. There is the top left button, the circle button, top left circle button. Pressings. Nice. And then press the wait. You see the top right? Don't pressing top right yet. Don't pressing top right yet. Go down twice. Yes, that press. Fuck.
Ano
what's the
ginawa
problem?
natin?
Tama na yung unang button eh. Tama na yung unang button eh. Di tulad nung...
Ano nga ginawa? Gagawin ka, may Arab.
Oh,
May Arab.
May Arab. Wow! Wow! Oh, shitings. 1 second later. What the I don't understand. You see that? Yeah. 2 yes. No, right. No. Back left 1. Purple. Wait. To its right. 1 to its right. Yes. Pressing. W. Bottom left na square. Yes. Pressing. Oh,
Palit naman tayo.
Hindi. Tapusin natin to sa bomb na ganito tayo. Tapos. I'm talking about Monday. Wanna rock with you. Oh, hell no. Let's see, go eh. May bomb black. What? Press the bottom left one. Bottom left square. Yes, press. Good boy. Third top one. Third to its left. Third to the left. Yes. That one. Nice. Press second to the left. Not that one. Circle. Yes. Pressing. Hold on. Bottom right na square. Yes. Mini bombo glass. Press the third circle one. Third circle. Hello, third circle po. Yes. Press the square na horizontal, 'di ba? Square, alam mo yung hilera ng square, pataas. Tapos second one, yung gitnang square sa pataas. Yes. Now, second to the left na bottom na square. Yes. Top right na circle. Circle, idol. Top right, idol. Thank you. Pinaka tuktok na cable. Kupitin mo. Nice. Top left na circle po. W. Isa pa. Nice one. Tapos top right naman ang circle. Vlogs, nice one. What the fuck? Second to the left na top left. Second to the left. Yun. Middle na wire. Middle
Middle
yes.
wire.
Nice.
Yeah.
Top right 2 times. Third. Isa pa. Yan. Press. Tapos top left na circle. W. Wait. Press the middle na pataas ulit. Middle na pataas na square. Square. Yan. Tapos second to the left na bottom left na square. Yan. Bottom left. Wire. W. Ano magagawa ko sa win ko? Some skins. Oh, shit. Ay, Aramaki. Goku Monkey, bro.
Ha?
Yo, boy, siya na dyan. He reading the code. He reading the code. What do I put? What do I put? What do I put? What do I put? Oi. Yo. Code over
Saan mo
here.
nakita yung code nun?
I can't say you can't hear me, bro. You're deaf. What are you talking about, bro?
Charles. Oh, 6340. Charles, tara, game. Pinakababa. Yan. Go. Okay, tapos, middle left. Yan. Tapos, sa itaas na pinakababa.
Huh?
Sa itaas na pinakababa. Yung ito pinakababa na to. Ups, kanan. Yan. And then, middle right. Yes. Enter.
What the fuck do we do here, bro?
Di ko ano ba to?
I don't know, gang.
Ano?
Yeah.
Press the
What the fuck?
the square blue key.
Huh?
Which one?
Paano ba to i-read? Pag ito mali, puta. Press the white square, blue square key.
Pre, yung unang symbol, shape. Yung pangalawang symbol, color. Also square, at saka may circle.
Middle bot. Yan. Oh, right, upright. Go. Nung una kasi mali eh. Kala ko mali yung button,
Okay,
sa buttons. Yan. Pinakaba. Bottom left. Yan. Bottom left yan. Dito tayo sa locks.
Alright, bro.
Top right. Ay, top left. Ito. Yan. Okay, balik dito. Top right.
Upright.
Okay, bottom middle ulit.
Bottom middle.
Bottom right.
Bottom right.
Okay, dito.
Box.
Bottom right.
Bottom right.
Ay!
Meri bomba.
Top right.
Meri bomba, klar, wag, brother.
Wag.
Isa pa.
Wag, brother.
Aya? Ano si Ibrox?
11, 10. Minibombo klaya druski ya pom.
Bye, sleep.
What? Middle top. Top right.
Right.
Middle.
Middle
Middle right.
Let's go.
Bottom left sa square.
Bottom left.
Okay, sa buttons. Pangalawa sa itaas.
Second to the top.
Ah,
Miri bomba, klar, wag, brother. Bomba, klar, wag.
Maba. On the lock. Bottom right.
Bottom right.
Yes. On this bottom right, on the bottom right on this sheet. The square. Yeah, but
Bottom left.
yeah, wag ka mag-sell. Iba pinindot ni Idol.
Sorry, pre. Pre, nalutang ako dun kasi pinutan mo yung bottom left. Pinutan mo kasi bottom left. Ayun yung napindot ko. Nalutang ako. Bottom right narinig ko. Okay,
Bottom right nga.
Sige go. Bottom right yung narinig ko, pero yung nakita ko bottom left. So, napindot ko. Akin, pre.
Top right ng square.
Top right.
Ilalim nun. Lock. Top left. Buttons. Bot, pinakababa. Okay, top left sa square. Ay, ba! Bottom left. Okay, the buttons. Pinaka-top ng buttons. Deluxe.
Goldilocks.
The gold, deluxe.
Outro mo! Hindi niya ako
Top
marinig,
right.
pero maras kami ng utak. Top right.
Yes, the top right. Yes. Ups. Bottom middle of the square.
Bottom of the square.
Bottom, yes. Okay, and the buttons. Second to the top. Yes. Buttons again. Pinakabot ng buttons. No. Buttons, in these buttons. This.
Ah.
Not the squares, yes.
Sorry.
Deluxe.
Goldilocks tayo, I'm lost.
Bottom left.
This one?
Bottom left, yes. Bottom left. Top left din ng squares. Top left. Yes. Okay, top right ulit. Top right ng squares.
Tang.
Top right ulit. Isa pa.
Dito pumunta mo.
And then, ano to?
Goldilocks.
Black tapos orange. Huh?
What? Di ba yun orange?
Black tapos orange. Huh?
Ito.
Ah,
Ito ba?
press mo nga yan. Go nga.
Yun.
Woo!
Ano gagawin?
Usa.
Ayun, tama na yan.
Usa.